We are living through such a transformational moment where AI agents are moving from experimental to essential. And that is why the theme of today's Zip Forward is Agents of Change. It is about taking on this transformation.
I'm so excited to introduce Zip AI Contract Orchestration, the first AI native platform designed to run buy-side contracting end-to-end.
It's new technology. I know it sounds a bit odd and it's difficult to explain, but it works. We've already proved that it works. We can see the impact.
There've been some incredible speakers, really interesting insights. It's been a lot of fun and very insightful.
So yes, these agents are smart. We've designed a UI that makes them really easy to work with. As Rajul mentioned earlier today, they're really powerful because they have access to a ton of context and data. Not only the data that's in other systems, but the data in Zip, and also your policies and your rules.
I really enjoyed the session on learning how to build an agent. It's not something I'm really familiar with, but I learned how to start doing that, so I'll certainly be doing more of that.
We have deployed over 1,000 agents into production customer environments. Those agents have saved customers over 800,000 hours and delivered nearly $60 million of savings. With incredible leading customers.
If you're not on Zip, get Zip, baby. I think that's all I can say, right?